dito, mama. Will you marry me? Hoy, kantahan naman tayo. Tama na yan. Ano ba yan? Tingin ka. Tingin.
Hello! For today's video, may bibili lang tayo sa Magnolia and then nagpapabili ng trash bag XL si papa mo and papaya. And magdadala tayo ulit ng bird's nest sa kanya. At may nagpadala sa amin ng avocado and mangga. Dadalhin po namin kay Mr. B. I love you. Call muna kami ni Katie. Babay kami ng mga kailangan. Love you. Kiss me. You say it again?
I love you, ma.
Me too. That's your favorite? Bubble gum?
Yes.
Can I have more? One lang? Share time.
Go.
We're here at the grocery. Oh, you'll get papaya. Get papaya, baby.
Where's the papaya?
What's that, baby? Ang dami, anak. Anak, isa lang muna, please. Isa lang. One lang muna. One lang.
Price to.
One lang muna. Let's see.
Anak, galing lang tayo ng grocery. Tama na yung bili mo.
Okay. Sabi mo, malas mo sakta.
Masarap din to. Try. Ano binibili?
Same naman tayo, ah.
Yes. Oh. Ayun oh, XL na trash bag. Or two.
Wala nang tubig, ah.
Hindi ka nawala.
Yes po.
Love you.
I love you.
Buy mo tayo food. Magkano ate?
750
Dalawang peso, isang bangus.
Tsaka isang additional
Kang, saka kangkong. Yes.
Okay, I'm not princess. That's not my
Wait lang, can I see? Kaya?
bigat.
It's mabigat, but kaya mo yan. And we're back, Katie! Hatid na naman po kami ng food. And mga kung anik-anik. Deliver.
Delivery?
The bird's nest.
Ano yan?
Ano?
Bago? Dead hair, don't care. Papakita ko lang. Titikman ko lang kasi parang nakamasarap.
Yes.
Sabi na kita ng vitamin C, oh.
I saw. Thank
Look
you.
at this. Oh. Chirin! Alam mo yung naglalaban na nagkukurang ng tao sa kumain. Mag-arnica ka na, Chris, para matikman mo na to. Sarap! Sobrang sarap! Grabe! Healthy pa. It's corn.
May sila may saling mga
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Uy! Putik!
Ano yan?
Hey, spider!
So, hello mga my loves. Good luck sa aking hair. So, you know, as you can see, it's dry. Hindi tayo nagplansya ng buhok. So, ayan. Nakakatamad kasi magplansya talaga. Just, di ba pwedeng pagkagising maganda na yung buhok? Di ba? Kanta muna tayo dito mga my loves. Then you were far away and it's someone else. Though I know it's just a dream, told myself I'll always stay the same.
Papa,
I just want you
Malaglag yung
to
ulo na.
remember, even if it takes forever, I will wait until.
mahal, Papa. Mama! Bakit nagboses?
Hello, bakit daw na boses ko, Chris?
Say that.
Eh, Mama, you're not
Practicing
Mana ka
my
dyan.
voice.
Hug my
Mana ba?
Papa first.
Mga boses mo.
Hug my Papa. Papa first. Hug my Papa. I want sa AI, sorry, I want sa AI yan po eh. Hug Papa.
I will wait until.
I want you to hug my Papa first. I'm crying.
Saan ihahag? Saan?
Dito, dito.
Why are you crying like that? Yan.
Tabi na,
Okay.
tabi kayo sa bed.
Ay, it's too much na yan. Ang dami mo nang sinasabi. Isa-isa lang.
Hug
Say
Mama,
something.
hug Mama lang. Hug na lang, hug naman. Hug lang. Hug, hug. Say I love you. Tingin ka kay Miss B. Tingin ka. Tingin ka kay Miss B, please. Say I love you. Just say, I love you.
I love you.
Is Papa here? Tumal siya, bad na yan. Say, Papa, say, sorry. Say to Mama, will you marry me? Hoy, kantahan naman tayo, tama na yan. Ano ba yan? Kanta tayo sa baba.
Tripan mo kami.
Kaya nga, kanta tayo sa baba. Tama na yan.
Wish, ano siya, do it. Take me by the hand and wish. Lagi kong nag-wish, I hold in my hand. I've got it together, they call me the girl who knows just what to say it to. Till I fumble and fall, run into the wall. Out of control, just another fool. Sky tonight, it trembles like my heart. Never lie, I can feel you want. Oh, paano daw sabihin sa'yo? Go, Katie.
Wala pa ba eh?
Go, baby.
Kakasin ko lang. Antayin natin.
See the light, see the party, the ball. Out to the garden to see we can quiet. Voice lesson 101 with Mr. B. Go.
Go.
And
Ano tayo sa I Get Lost?
I get lost
I get lost. Alin?
in your eyes.
In your eyes. Natatawa ako. I get lost in your eyes.
And it,
Ano? And ano?
and it,
And ano?
You have to put that in your mixed voice.
and it.
My spirit. Ayan, go. I get lost.
I get lost.
I get lost.
Baba naman.
I get lost.
Yan.
And I feel... Ano? Ang hirap naman, please.
And I feel.
So and I is in the mix. So
And I feel... And
how do
I
you feel?
And I feel... And I feel...
My spirit's right.
My spirit rise.
Yan. Kaya.
And I feel... My spirit rise.
Mhm.
Ganun ba yun?
Yes.
Tapos yung nakuha. I get lost in your eyes. And I feel my spirit rise. Mali. Tama? And then isn't this what you're romance? Naubos yung boses. Isn't this what's called romance? Mali.
What's called romance? Man.
Yan lang.
Isn't it barely ended? I get weak in
Yan.
Isn't this what's called romance? And now I know. 'Cause when I'm lost, I can't let go. Rise and soar like a wind.
O, di ba?
Is it in love that I am in?
Pwede naman pala eh.
I get weak in Isn't this what's romance? And now I know I'm in what I'm heading for.
Konseto.
You can take me to the Parang kaya ito na kayo, please. Parang kailangan ko na ng pagpadulas para makapag-voice lesson na. Parang sina-challenge ako ng kantang to. Sandali, hindi pwede yan. No, pampadulas, inom-inom tayong tubig dito. For my voice lesson, one-on-one. Grabe. Okay, dahil nakainom na tayo ng isa, ilaban na natin to. I'm lost in your eyes. Sometimes we get tonight, and when I first knew was when I first.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering splendor.
second once in a lifetime, baby.
Hours of me, lifting me up.
Goodbye, Mr. B. Bye, Mr. B.
Bye-bye.
Let's go. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.
There. Thank you.
Welcome.